At Ergil, every system starts with strong engineering. For more than 4 decades, we have combined design expertise, manufacturing capability, and rigorous quality control to deliver engineered equipment for demanding industrial applications. Our skid systems are engineered and manufactured in-house, allowing every interface to be controlled before the equipment reaches the site. Piping fit-up, equipment positioning, instrumentation, accessibility, structural integration, testing, and final assembly are completed under the same production environment. This reduces site work, minimizes interface risks, and provides greater control over quality, schedule, and system performance. For larger systems, our modular approach takes this capability even further. Complex process packages are divided into transportable modules, fully coordinated during engineering and pre-assembled before shipment. Once delivered to site, the modules come together exactly as designed. Delivered ready to perform.